wanted to do something that would really demonstrate us giving back to the community and really to identify persons who are really in need. And when we heard about Holy Innocent, the disabled persons that were here and the children, and that they were really in need of some assistance that would help to make their lives more comfortable, I thought that this is most appropriate. PICA being an agency that secures our borders, and we are safeguarding our citizens here in the country, and this is a good way to demonstrate that we are doing everything in terms of securing our borders and securing our people.
For me, Labor Day is about giving back to the community, and as an agency, we saw it fit to have two projects today. So we're not only in Kingston, we also have a project in the western side of the island. So we came together as a team, as Team PICA always does things together, and we decided to come to Holy Innocent today to just brighten up the place and make sure that the residents here are comfortable.
PICA is helping us so much today, as I stated with someone earlier in the day, that from our building has been conceived in 2010, we have not get one coat of paint, and it's really been. I know our children will love it, our elderly, and even our pregnant mothers. The beauty, and I tell you, the staff, boy, so friendly. I was shocked at first to see how so many people come out, but then see the joy and that everybody want to give back. To see Jamaica giving back to Jamaicans, it's really good.
I'm here because I want to support a very important organization, which is the Orphanage of the Holy Innocents. They provide a service that definitely helps the less fortunate in our society, especially the children. And so I wanted to be here to help renovate their nursery so that they can continue to do the work that they do to help children.
What we did today, the staff came together. They donated toys and toiletries. We also got paint, and we did some plumbing work for the toilets for the children. We did painting on the inside. We painted the railings and the skirtings. Being Child's Month and recognize the need to protect and care for our children. The needs are great. Recognize the children here, they're really in need of some supplies. So we thought it was best to come here and to help uplift and brighten their days.